Solve equations containing rational exponents. So here you have this side of the equation is equal to this one, and there's a rational exponent up there. So the way you solve for rational exponents is you do this trick. If you have two numbers that are equal, and they're equal, you can raise both of them to the power m, and that'll be equal. For example, let's say 2 equals 2. Certainly 2 to the 5th then equals 2 to the 5th. You can raise both sides to the same power since these are equal. So this term right here is equal to this term. So this term is equal to this one. So I might as well just raise both sides to the 5/2 power. And what that'll do for me is 2/5 times 5/2 will cancel out, and I'll get a first power here. And on my way to solving by x, because you can't distribute in a 2/5 over a subtraction or an addition, only a multiplication. So you're stuck with this right here. So on this side, hopefully something works out. So 9 is 3 squared, and this is 5/2 here. So you multiply the exponents in this situation, 2 times 5/2, the 2's cancel out and you get 5. Now all you have to do is get out the calculator and go 3 to the 5th power, 243. You add this x minus 3 carried down. Add 3 to both sides. Add 3 to 243 and you get 246. So this is your answer. Now, we have our answer here, but there's a little bit of a warning that I have to tell you about. Warning. Okay, let's say you have x equals 1. Then you squared both sides by raising each side to the exponent of 2. Now that's certainly true. But if you solve this, x squared equals 1, and get the x like we did over here, x could be plus or minus 1, the solution of this equation. But the original equation only had x equal 1, not minus 1. So that would be wrong. We'd get an extraneous root. Extraneous root. So when you go around raising sides of equations to various powers, you can get extraneous roots that didn't solve the original. So technically, we should take this number and put it back into the original equation up here and test it out. So if you put 246 in there minus 3, you're going to get 243 to the 2/5 power, and you get out your calculator and you go 243 to the up arrow parentheses 2 divided by 5, and you press enter, and guess what? You get 9. So everything is okay.